William Ruto shama bururi manaja no irathi nabere munene uyu wa bururi ni acerete bururi wa India kugereria kumatia ndugu ya Kenya na India gutigirira ati Kenya ni ahuro jeki hari uthii wa nabere.
India and Kenya are great friends. We've had diplomatic engagement at different levels from way back in 1948, even before the independence of Kenya. And I have come to India this time round at the invitation of Madam President and my good friend, the Prime Minister. And my expectation is that we need to consolidate the relationship between Kenya and India.
Icera riake, Ruto anyititwo ugenini President wa India Droupadi Murmu na Prime Minister wake Narendra Modi aria makorirwo makigacirithia gucainio wa kadarathi ithano cia memorandum ya uiguano iria ikumatia ndugu ya Kenya na India.
We are looking at how we can create partnership in the space of rural development, especially agriculture. We'll be looking at a space of how we can share in manufacture of vaccines, both for animal and human. We're looking at what about genomics. We will be signing an agreement on also the digital space. We have a lot to learn from this great country, especially in the digital space.
Hari ndomereri yake Dagitari William Ruto ni atogeirie bururi wa India ukoro uri muharine wa mbere wa uthii wa nabere na kuhingiria muno hari mwena wa technology uduria augete ati ni ugukorwo wa uteithio munene kuri bururi wa Kenya hari sector itiganite.
Already I did send from Kenya our Ministry of ICT to pick up lessons on digital ID, digitizing government services, leveraging on the enabler nature of technology in providing government service, which India has done very well. We will be signing an MOU in that space.
Sector ya ugima wa mwiri ICT mabiacara ma a Kenya ni imwe cia iria ikuguneka makiria kuona ati mabururi ma meri ni mekunyitanira hari gucenjia uhuthiri wa kigina thi ngima oroho gutigirira ati mwena wa Global South ni wakorwo ukigwatira gicunji kia uthii wa nabere niguo gukuria mabururi maya mothe.
We will also be looking at the areas of business, what we can do to enhance the business relationship between our two countries. I share a lot in common with the Prime Minister of India on what we need to do, especially those of us from the Global South, on matters to do with the reform of the international financial architecture to make it much more fit for purpose and to ensure that it serves everybody equally and in a balanced and democratized manner.
Gerifotera Muthingi TV, Geto Wairimu wa Kimani.
Ngatho Wairimu.